What's up, guys? My name is Kimmy. I'm a professional photographer in the Tacoma, Washington area. I'm starting a YouTube channel from the ground up. Just started it, and it's going to be mainly about three things right now. Number one, photography. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a lot of tips and tricks and tutorials for newbie, entry-level, amateur, hobbyist photographers. And the next part of it is going to be me learning how to fly a drone and how to capture stunning images and video with a drone. And also, the last part of it is going to be kind of a collection of videos that are meant towards relaxation, helping you calm down, meditate, sleep, whatever it may be. But I'm going to definitely incorporate some of my own footage, drone footage, and photographs that I've done and that sort of thing. So it's going to be kind of a three-part channel here, and I'm going to be planning on posting weekly. So if you want to come along this journey with me, I'm starting from the ground up, like I said, so as many likes, comments, subscribers I can get helps. And I'm going to say like the first 1,000 subscribers are going to be kind of like the founding club of this channel. So I would really appreciate it if you came on board with me and maybe even hit the notification button so you can get alerted to when I post. But thank you, and I hope at some point down the road there's some video of mine that I post that you can learn from and get something valuable out of. So thank you, and I will see you soon.